Patience is the key to success. Obviously, this video is for those who have high level of patience and are determined to earn an awesome amount of cash for themselves in 2024. Because in this video, I will tell you about 7 businesses that you can start today and can earn money up to $80,000 a month. And if you want to determine your patience level, then try to watch this video complete, because this video is entirely created to make you people successful. This video is a guide for beginners who are finding ways to earn money, and trust me, the businesses that I am going to share in this video is easy to create and run. Such businesses are also run by world's millionaires like Mr. Beast, Andrew Tate and others. So without wasting further time, let me tell you about these high income businesses one by one. So the business number 1 is content creation. Content creation, according to me, one of the best business that I must suggest everyone to start, and people like Mr. Beast are doing the same. You can upload your videos on YouTube, and nowadays TikTok as well as Facebook is also allowing monetization, so that you can create a single video and upload it to these multiple platforms and can earn much more without doing any hard work. But if someone has no experience about content creation, they can also start from short form videos creation and can upload those videos on these sites. And if you want to make videos but don't know where to start, then there is a video of mine in which I have suggested 11 faceless niches on which you can start making videos today and with the help of AI. So the link of that video is present in the description box of this video. Go and check out. Now let's move on. Business number 2, dropshipping. This is also a passive source of income like content creation, and in dropshipping you have to choose a winning product from sites like CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress that has potential to be sold. If someone doesn't know what Shopify is, it is a website where you can easily create a store and sell your product there. So after listing that product on Shopify store, then you can use Facebook and create an ad, so that ad will bring buyers for you and you don't need to worry about buyers. Obviously, many of you are thinking that this is not a free method to earn money, but trust me, if you have any organic traffic source, then you don't need any money to run ad, and just for a few dollars you can start your Shopify store. But one thing that I like about dropshipping is that if your product is really awesome, then within 3 to 4 days you start getting sales. Now it's time to discuss business idea number 3, digital product selling. Such type of products don't require long-term work and any inventory. They are easy to create, and with AI tools nowadays on the internet, it is much easier to research about these products and to create such products. In such a business, you just need to create a digital product, then list it to your website, and when someone buys from there, you can get paid. You can also list your product on the sites like Etsy. Don't worry, if you think that this business is complex, then go and check out my video present on YouTube. Link is also provided in the description box of this video. In that video, I have discussed about 5 digital products and how to create those products so that you can sell those products and can earn money. But if someone has no time, let me list out few of the digital products that you can sell online on website like Etsy. The products are invitation cards, thank you tags, bookmarks, motivational quote frames and ebooks. So these are some products, and if you want to see how to create such product, then go and check out that video. Business idea number 4 is affiliate marketing. You can start selling products of others and get commission on every single sale they made through your referral link. There are many sites present on the internet that provide you people an opportunity to promote their products on the internet and make money by getting sales on those products. So the sites that provide products to promote are Amazon, ClickBank, Digistore24, and you can simply sign up their affiliates program and then simply choose the products you like and promote it on any social media platform where you have a good amount of followers that are interested in buying those products. These websites provide you both digital as well as physical products to sell. But there is one drawback, is that first you have to arrange such audience that is interested in buying those products. You can create Facebook page or an Instagram theme page in a specific niche, and then you can start promoting those products. You can also take help from Facebook ads program to promote your page and increase the reach of niche specific people to your Facebook page or an Instagram theme page. So Facebook ads will decrease the time required for success in this business model. Business number 5 is online automation. Now this term might seem new to some people, but trust me, this is the best business that even the laziest person can do. But the thing, you just need to progress in this business is patience. And I have also created a video on YouTube automation. You can go and check out that video on my YouTube channel to start automation. You can take advantage of AI sites like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and for designing posts in bulk you can use Canva so that you can create hundreds of posts and can share every day. And there is one benefit of creating such pages on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. When they reach to a good amount of subscribers, then you can promote your affiliate products, drop shipping products, and print on demand products. And soon on this channel I will create videos related to these all topics in which I will explain all about these businesses step by step. So if you don't want to miss those life-changing videos, then hit that subscribe button below and then press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any video. Business number 6 is print on demand. In this you can sell those products like t-shirts, mugs, caps, and many more that you customize on internet and can make money whenever someone buys your customized item. It is the best way to earn money because there is no need to buy any machinery. You just have to be creative with your design and know about some graphic designing tools like Adobe Illustrator and Canva so that you can make your designs stand out. After that you can use print on demand sites like Printify and Printful.com to make your own customized product, and the link of both sites is present in the description box. The best thing is that all of the delivery process will be done by the website itself and you just have to focus on your designs and on bringing customers to your site. Business number 7, sell handmade products online. If you have any skills like you can make anything at home that people need, then you can sell that thing online, and when you get any order then simply make that thing and send it to your customer. Here are few handmade products that you can start selling today, and the products are jewelry, fancy candles, pillows, wooden toys, and dolls. This method works for those who have some skills of making such products. You can sell such products on sites like Etsy, and you can also create your own Shopify store and can also sell such products on your social media account. So these are the 7 business ideas that you can start working on today and can earn money from it. I did my best to deliver top-notch businesses ideas to you people, and if someone really appreciates these business ideas, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I share such content with you people so that you can earn money and become independent.